Here comes the judge. Paul Revere and the Raiders. Here we are at Ideal Classic Cars, Venice, Florida. You're looking at a beautiful, beautiful Judge here. I remember finding out that these crazy stripes they put on were stock. When I first saw them, I thought somebody was doing something weird. But that's where they came. And look at that. Automatic. It's cool. Can't have everything, can you? But look at it. It's a Ram Air car. Beautifully done. Yes, look at the detail on that engine. Very nice stock restoration. Correct hoses, battery. And look at the nose on that car. One of the most beautiful front noses ever on any of the muscle cars. And of course, the GTO. Most people think of these Detroit iron, but you know GTO, as you know, comes from an Italian race. The Gran Turismo Omologato. Until John DeLorean stole the name and put it on the GTO. And there you have it. The rest was history. This is Gauze Garage, Ideal Classic Cars, Venice, Florida. Thank you.